Let me ask you something real. When was the last time you sat down to study and actually studied? Not fake studying, not opening a book and checking your phone every 2 minutes, not watching study with me videos while scrolling Instagram. I mean real focus, deep focus, the kind where time disappears. If you can't remember, this video is for you. And no, you're not lazy. You're not broken. Your brain is just overloaded. Let me show you why. Your focus isn't gone. It's under attack. Notifications, short videos, fast content, constant noise, endless scrolling. Your brain is being trained to switch, not stay. Every scroll teaches your mind one thing: new equals more important. So when you sit to study, your brain says, "This is slow. This is boring. Where's the dopamine?" That's not weakness. That's conditioning. Your mind didn't become weak, it became overstimulated, and overstimulated brains can't focus. So if the problem is training, the solution is retraining. Let's start with your day. Most students wake up and instantly grab their phone. Messages, reels, YouTube, news, chaos. Your brain starts the day in reaction mode, not control mode. Science shows the first hour of your day sets your attention pattern. If you start with stimulation, your brain craves stimulation all day. Here is the quick fix. Don't touch your phone for 30 minutes after waking. Do one calm thing first. Stretch, walk, drink water, wash your face, or just sit quietly. Train your brain, I control the day. The day doesn't control me. Now let's talk about the real killer of focus. You think you're multitasking, but your brain is just context switching. Study to phone, phone to music, music to WhatsApp, WhatsApp to study. This burns mental energy fast. Your brain gets tired without doing real work. That's why you feel exhausted but unproductive. The simple rule is one task mode, one subject, one tab, one screen, one goal. Here is the practical action. Put your phone in another room. Full screen, one app. 25 minutes focus, 5 minutes break. That's it. No fancy systems, no complicated hacks, just single tasking. But there's another problem no one talks about. Think about it. How many times have you said, "I'll study at 6, I'll start tomorrow, I'll be serious for Monday," and didn't? So your brain learned something. Your words mean nothing. If no trust means no motivation, no trust means no focus, no trust means no discipline. The fix is small promises only. Stop big goals. Start tiny action. Don't say, "I'll study 3 hours." Say, "I'll study 10 minutes." Then do it. Build trust. Focus grows where trust grows. Now let's talk about the hidden enemy. You're tired, but not physically, mentally. Pressure, comparison, expectations, future anxiety, fear of failure. Your mind never rests. So when you try to focus, your brain says, "Tired, I need escape." And escape means phone, reels, games, scrolling. Here is a mental reset habit. Every day, 5 minutes silent. No phone, no music, no talking. Just breathe. Let your mind slow down. A calm mind focuses easier. You're not behind in life. You're just tired of carrying too much alone. And that's okay. Now let's put it all together. Here is the focus reset system. Morning, no phone for the first 30 minutes. Day, single tasking only. Work style, 25 minutes focus, 5 minutes break. That's it. No fake motivation, no aesthetic routines, no unrealistic discipline culture, just real habits. Focus isn't something you're born with, it's something you build. You don't need a new brain, you need a new system. You don't need more motivation, you need less distraction. And most importantly, you are not broken. You are just overloaded. But overloaded systems can be reset. Start small. Start today. Start now. Because the student who learns to focus controls their future. If this helped you, hit like. It tells the algorithm this matters. Subscribe if you want real self-improvement without fake hype. And share this with a friend who's always studying but never progressing. Let's level up together.